All right, like I said, size and feel compares pretty close to the Flywoo Explorer. Same size, dimension, wheelbase. Feels a little bit heavier because these are bigger motors. They are, I believe, 1504 with 3100 kV. Got the DJI Air Unit here, 03, the O3 Air Unit. You got your stack, ESC, flight controller, and from what I've heard, that is a step-down voltage regulator. Right here is the plug right on the frame. Cool design of an XT30 plug. So same plug as Flywoo, XT30. DJI camera right there in the front. Tilt looks pretty good. It's probably close to 30 or more degrees. I'll probably lower it for a little bit. Adjustment screws to there. That should be a silicone mount. This is a specific design GoPro mount. I believe it's for the GoPro Naked. Gives you one Velcro and strap here, Velcro strap. And I believe you can attach your own, or there should be one on here. Yeah, I saw one right here. Non-slip pad for your lipo. It's a pretty sweet frame. I have not flown or owned an H frame, so obviously you'll have props out of view when you're flying. It's not a true X, but I hear it's still very maneuverable for freestyle, and of course cinematic. One antenna versus two for your DJI O3. There are two wires, and that should just insert right in. There we go. You got your GPS module here. You flip that up, tighten it down. So I'm gonna estimate the flight angle and then keep that level to the ground so it's horizontal. Something like that. All right, that's it. I'm gonna get this connected to Betaflight on my laptop here, check things out, save a backup file, do a test flight, and then update it to the current Betaflight of 2025.12. Probably 1 or 2. I want to show that the propellers it comes with are the HQ props, 3.5 by 2.5 pitch by 3 blade. You can see, thought it came with 2 pairs, but that's cool. I got 1 pair. I'll try these out. So it's stock, but I did find on Amazon some backup props. These are Gem Fan. Same length 3.5 and pitch 2.5. Does look like these are a little bit fatter, so might give us a little more thrust. This one looks like similar to the Flywoo props, a little thinner, but we'll give these a go.